Hey there everyone, welcome back again to another video of Engineering Preetham, and in this video I am going to talk about how you can dry your filament while you are printing it. And in my last video I talked about it is not possible, and the reason behind that is you require additional power supply such that you can print as well as dry your filament. And if we talk about the requirement of this charger, so this is not the commonly found charger, and I face a lot of problem while finding the suitable one. Alright, even this particular one is of 120 watt against the 96 watt recommended by Bambu Lab. But the thing is, this particular one is of 24 volt, that you need to make sure. And the requirement of Bambu Lab charger output needs to be 24 volt and 4 amps. And this particular one is 24 volt and 5 amps. And the reason why I went for this particular one, despite it is not exactly matching the specs that is needed, we need to make sure that the voltage needs to be correct. And voltage here, this one have is 24 volt. Now amps can go a little bit high or can be equal. So in this case, instead of 4 amps, this is delivering 5 amps. Alright, so here in this case amps is a little bit high, which is perfectly fine because the equipment will only take the amp that is needed. So that's how I finalized this particular charger, and this is quite common and quite cheap as well. You can get it for around 500 to 1000 rupees. When compared to Bambu Lab imported charger, I don't know why they are not delivering it in India. That one going to cost you around 3000 to 4000, which in my opinion does not make any sense because this is just a charger, alright. And now all you need to do is you need to plug this in to your device. You will see the port behind your AMS unit, which is here. So simply plug this inside, and now when we plug this, what we can do is I can go here in Filament, and here if I click on drying and humidity, I can decide the drying temperature. So let's make it 50 and then hit OK, and then here we can define for how many hours I want to dry. Let's say I'm going to make it 12 hours, and then I can click on start. Now here there is one more good thing about this particular AMS. Since I have loaded PLA and I have kept the temperature around 50 degree, it is not letting me dry it because it can be overwhelming for PLA to go at that kind of temperature. It can make PLA very soft. So now let me put 45 degree and click on start. This time all these PLA are checked in, and then we can also enable this rotate spool while drying, and then if I click on start, this will start drying the filament. And as I said, you can now also print while drying it. And okay, so here we can see the error. It says that due to power limit, printing cannot be possible because I have not started this adapter yet. Let me start or turn on this adapter. Now let's again try to do the same. Alright, now I'm gonna click on print, and this time you can see the task started. So you can see that as I turn on the adapter, the printer worked normally without giving me error of we need to stop drying up because of insufficient adequate power. So this particular adapter worked perfectly fine. So if you are from India, I can also put the buying link in the description of this video. And if you are from any other country, just make sure that the voltage is correct. It should be 24 volt and the amp need to be either 4 ampere or little bit more, and that adapter should work perfectly fine. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If you have got any kind of doubt or question in your mind, please feel free to ask me in comment down below. I will definitely try to help you out with that. And please make sure you subscribe to this channel for more such engineering related video, and I will see you around in the next one. Till then, you take care and bye bye.